Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to have all of you here and also the people online. So, welcome to this event that is the Nature Restoration Law and Wetlands Conservation Training. We'll have a lot of very interesting presentations today, so I hope we can learn a lot. Um, well, I will start introducing myself. I am Vanessa Ferreira. I am the coordinator of the REWET project, in which this activity is a part of. So I live here in Seville, and I work for a company called IDENER. It's a small research company that coordinates and works on European research projects. And my background is in environmental and chemical engineering. However, I love the environment and the climate change, and I like to work towards this goal of enhancing biodiversity, climate, and so on. That's why we started changing the research towards REWET. So, we'll have a lot of presenters today. I will start with Florian Claes. He's online. Florian, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Vanessa.
Thanks for being here. So, Florian is a policy officer at the European Commission at the DG Environment. He's based in Belgium, and his background is in environmental sciences. Then we have Chris Dekler from the Institute for Nature Forests in Belgium, and his background is in biology and environmental policy. Please come. I slide. Yes. We also have here Alessandro Petraglia from the University of Parma from Italy. Please go. And his background is in biology, and he has expertise in greenhouse gases fluxes. So welcome, Alessandro. We also have Elisa Soana from University of Ferrara, Italy, and her background is environmental science, and her expertise is in nitrogen fluxes. Welcome, Elisa. And we also have our colleague from the REWET project, Eulogio Chacon from FIC Clima in Spain, and his background is in biology and ecology. So thank you all very much for coming. I will be very brief in my presentation because I know we're a little bit out of schedule. So we have these morning sessions in the order I presented. So we have first of all, the presentation of Florian. Then we go with Chris Dekler. Both of them are focused on nature restoration law. And then we have presentations more focused on greenhouse gases and measurements on site. The first is on the greenhouse gas fluxes from Alessandro. And then we have one focus on nitrogen from Elisa. And we finish with Eulogio on conservation strategies. We will have also a short coffee break, and then we will have a lunch break. For the people that is in person in the afternoon, we have the round tables. So we will discuss about the nature restoration law and business models, social engagement, and policy, and how we can connect it. And we will share our expertise. As I said, the REWET project is leading this activity, and we have several works in wetlands, And currently, we are in the second year of the project. So we are in the middle, where the project goes for 4 years. And the project is really interesting because we have open labs, what we call open labs. We have 7 of them. And then we can use it as showcase for the implementation of good practices in nature restoration law, working on methodologies, monitoring, and also using our results for the nature restoration law. Well, I'll go directly to this slide. REWET not only focus on the technical part, on monitoring and so on of greenhouse gases, but we also have the part with the local community, social sciences, humanities, and also the policies. So that's why we try to have everything together and really deliver good results for the policies, European policies, and so on. So, well, I want to thank you a lot, and also the partners that are here and for all the efforts. And thank you so much. So, thank you for being here.